Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee design full guide. Begin by pulling a balanced espresso shot and steaming milk to 50–60% microfoam, avoiding large bubbles. Focus on temperature, texture, and timing to create a stable canvas for pouring. Maintain steady wrist movement and small pouring height adjustments to draw clear shapes. Practice simple patterns first and build muscle memory for more intricate latte art sequences. A few reliable tools make coffee design easier and more fun. Use a stable grinder and espresso machine to get repeatable shots, and a pitcher with a narrow spout for precise lines. A thermometer helps you hit the right milk temperature, while a flat tamper preserves even extraction. Organize tools on a tidy counter, wipe down between pours, and replace worn equipment as needed to keep results consistent and reproducible. Technique matters more than gadgets when crafting coffee design, so practice deliberately. Steam milk until it feels velvety and pours like thick cream, then start pouring from a higher position to blend crema and foam. Lower the pitcher as the canvas forms to carve shapes, using small wrist motions for precision. Repeat the same motion until it becomes natural, and film yourself occasionally to review posture and timing for steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.